Hey Torque Update fam. Today we got a special treat for truck lovers and nostalgia hunters alike. Meet the 2026 Chevy C10. This isn't your grandpa's pickup rehashed. Chevy has taken the beloved 70S era nameplate and dropped it into the modern age with serious style and capability. Whether you're restoring your love for old school flair or hunting for a tough daily driver, this C10 bridges a golden era of muscle trucks with 21st century performance. At its core, the 2026 C10 blends classic DNA with modern engineering. From the moment you see that squared-off stance, long hood, and bold front end, you know it's dripping with nostalgia. Underneath, though, it's completely reimagined. Independent front suspension, beefy brakes, modern tech. It drives nothing like the body-on-frame trucks of the past. It's upscale, it's refined, and it still roars down the road looking unbeatable. Chevy nailed the look. The 2026 C10 retains an iconic silhouette, a boxy, purposeful stance, big fender flares, and a signature C10 script badge on the front fender. Up front, LED headlights and a gleaming retro grille echo the original, but with crisp lighting and sharp lines. The bed sports a roll-up tailgate, an optional lockable tonneau cover. Add big 22-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, and you got a truck that's equally a home on a job site or pulled up to a weekend cruise. Open the door, and the interior feels familiar, yet different. You get the classic horizontal dash and big window views, but wrapped in premium leather trim, soft touch panels, and distinctive two-tone color combos. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster lives behind the wheel, with a 14.2-inch vertical touchscreen in the dash center running Chevy's latest infotainment. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Optional features include heated/ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, Bose sound, and even a rear-view camera mirror. It feels like a modern Silverado with a heritage twist. Powering the 2026 C10 is a seriously impressive 6.2-liter LT4 supercharged V8, right out of the Corvette Z06, pumping out 670 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a mighty 10-speed automatic transmission, sending power to either rear-wheel drive or full-time all-wheel drive. Chevy says it hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, making it quicker than many sports cars, not just on the street, but leaving some modern pickups in the dust. Sport mode sharpens throttle response, while towing or off-road settings put traction and stability first. It's a truck built for fun, but it's also a smart, capable cruiser. Chevy plans to begin production on the 2026 C10 in late 2025, with dealer deliveries rolling out in early 2026. Pricing is expected to start around $68,000 for the base model, with higher trims, including a luxury-focused Heritage Edition and a more rugged Trail Boss Edition, pushing toward $82,000. That places it firmly between the Silverado ZR2 and limited edition collectibles, but with a look and performance all its own. So, what do you think of the 2026 Chevy C10? It's a love letter to the past wrapped in modern capability, and that's a combination we can't get enough of. If you're into muscle trucks, classic restoration, or just love tech-packed torque monsters, this one's a must-watch. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for more exclusive previews, reviews, and revs. Stay pumped, stay curious, and we'll see you on the road.